Hello everyone, welcome to Qondle Technology. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to ask ChatGPT to quick setup tips for ChatGPT on your PC. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Qondle Technology. So let's get started. To get quick setup tips for using ChatGPT on a PC, you can use prompts that guide you through the process or optimize your desktop experience. Here I'm gonna show you 3 approaches with example prompts. So let's go. Number 1. General setup instructions for ChatGPT on PC. Example prompt: give me quick setup tips for using ChatGPT on my PC. Let's see the answer. Here is it. These prompts provide a comprehensive guide for setting up and using ChatGPT on your PC, covering browser-based uses or desktop apps. The next one, number 2. Setup tips for browser uses. Example prompt: give me setup tips for using ChatGPT on my PC browser for better performance. If you prefer using ChatGPT through a browser, this prompt provides tips specific to setting up the best experience for web users. The last one, number 3. Optimizing ChatGPT experience on PC. Example prompt: give me tips to optimize ChatGPT on my PC for better usability and speed. This prompt focuses on improving the ChatGPT experience on your desktop, including features or settings to enhance efficiency or accessibility. So, these prompts will help you to get started with ChatGPT on your PC, from setting it up to optimizing your experience for maximum efficiency. So this is how to ask ChatGPT to quick setup tips for ChatGPT on your PC. I hope you like this video. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.